Future of HR will be, it will be high tech, but the it will be even higher touch.
I think we definitely need to adopt the technologies and changes that comes into the picture in the line of business. The reason why and how does this impact HR? It definitely impacts HR in a way wherein they can have a more better streamlined process. There is less of manual work. You can identify the things that can be done on precision. You can identify the works that can be done, in few hours rather than just waiting and getting things done over a week.
Our focus should remain on humanizing those systems. So ensuring there is fairness, there is inclusion, it has the right emotional resonance. Uh, we have to ensure all of that. So the HR of the future isn't just strategic; it's deeply human centric in what we will call an AI-driven digital world.
There were a lot of fear initially on how AI and these tools are going to replace human beings. And the more and more I interact with them, and more and more I engage with them, what I have realized is that it is not about uh, like being replaced, but how you're able to use them properly for your use cases, right? And that is something my team, we are like really closely working on creating some workflows around it. Right now, just as a chatbot, where most of us are using ChatGPT, but how we can add more layers to it and again connect those dots to create systems in place where our mental bandwidth can go into more higher order work, and most of these things can get automated, or at least we get a real kind of what do you say assistant who can help us brainstorm certain of these things.